Thank you, Denise. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the JAAA, will name the country's team to the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary on Wednesday. In our World Championships preview this evening, we look at some of the selection decisions to look for on Wednesday.
Rasheen McDonald has been perhaps the most impressive Jamaican athlete on the European circuit since the national trials, clocking a season's best 44.03 seconds. It's the fastest time for McDonald since he ran the national record 43.93 in 2015, and makes him the fastest Jamaican and third fastest athlete in the world over the distance this year. It also presents the JAAA selection committee with a decision to make for the World Championships team, as McDonald did not contest the final at the National Championships in early July. The top two at the trials, Sean Bailey and Antonio Watson, achieved the entry standard, with the other person from the final qualified by time being Zandrian Barnes, who ended sixth. The women's equivalent was won by Nikisha Price, with Genevieve Russell finishing second and Candice McLeod third. But with Russell's pet event, the 400-metre hurdles, overlapping with the 400 metres, it is unlikely the 29-year-old will double in Budapest. It would then likely mean that Cherokee Young, who ended fourth at the trials, would move up into the third individual spot. One of the other selection decisions to watch is in the women's 200 metres. As it stands, Shelley and Fraser Price, Lene Tava Thomas and Natalia White are set to join reigning champion Sharika Jackson in the event. But Fraser Price had previously expressed reservation about running the sprint double at global championships going forward. Kevona Davis, who crossed the line fifth, is also qualified by entry standard and could be in line to make her first senior world championships team. All those questions will be answered on Wednesday.